What is a military coup? A military coup, also known as a coup d'état, French for blow of state, is a sudden and often violent overthrow of a government, typically carried out by the military or a faction within the armed forces. It involves the seizure of power by a group of military officials who depose the existing political leadership and take control of the state. A military coup usually involves the use or threat of force to remove the current government and replace it with a new regime. The military coup can take different forms, ranging from a relatively bloodless takeover to a more violent and chaotic scenario with casualties and widespread unrest. The motives behind military coups can vary. They may be driven by a desire to address perceived grievances within the military, such as corruption, lack of resources, or political interference. Coup plotters may also seek to change the political system, ideology, or policies of the country, often in pursuit of their own interests or to gain more power. The consequences of a military coup can vary widely. In some cases, the coup leaders establish a new government and maintain control, leading to a period of authoritarian rule. In other instances, the coup may trigger prolonged instability, civil conflict, or a power vacuum, with subsequent political, economic, and social consequences. It's important to note that military coups are generally seen as an illegitimate means of seizing power, as they often violate democratic principles and the rule of law. International organizations and many countries condemn and seek to isolate governments that come to power through coups, instead advocating for peaceful transitions of power through democratic processes.